For the last decade, I put pieces together to master the home business space for one specific reason. I was tired of it hurting to make more money. There was no way that in my 20s, I was already feeling like my life was over and that nothing could save me, and I just had to shut up and keep working until I figured a way out of this loop. You start off having time but no money, and then it comes to a point where you have lots of money and no time. And while there are hundreds of searches a day wondering how to start a home-based business efficiently with infrastructure, 50% of you think it's not really possible for me. And that doubt is what probably took me the longest to master the skill of marketing. It's pretty much just marketing, reaching the proper people and solving a problem. There's no doubt in my mind that you're feeling right now that you might not have a lot of time. Your schedule is very tight. So I want you to understand, in 1 to 2 hours a day, you can be effective, you can upload, and let the infrastructure do what it does best. Find the people that deserve it, bring them to you for the information, and you allow me to help you give them the exact solution. This is a remote business model. Just like this, I'm reaching people over multiple states, and I've done this with free content, and I've done this with paid content. The trick is to let the knowledge come to you, implement, and do not quit, because you got up today not thinking that you were gonna find the way out. The law of attraction says, if there's a will, there's a way. You already have your phone out, get your laptop, your computer out, and comment DMO below. And I wanna send you a quick 2-minute quiz that points you to step by step on how you can launch your own home business in 9 days or less.